I thought I was just removing one screw, but behind it was a world I didn't expect. How many parts do you think are inside this thing? It's an antique singer. No computers, no wires, just pure mechanics. I started counting, but the deeper I went, the more it felt impossible. Every screw revealed 3 more. Every gear hid a dozen surprises. Some of these parts haven't moved in 50 years. But together, they told a story of design, durability, and a time when machines were built to last forever. I wasn't fixing it. I was exploring it, one screw, one spring at a time. Tiny pieces, each with a purpose, not one extra, not one wasted, all working together like clockwork. This wasn't just a machine. It was a message from the past, from people who built something to endure, the craftsmanship, the complexity. They didn't just build it. They engineered it with soul. I kept going, plate after plate, lever after lever, every piece hidden beneath another. And every time I thought, that must be the last one, it wasn't. I stopped counting, not because I was done, but because the number didn't matter anymore. What mattered was the idea behind it, that even in silence, this machine had a voice. It said, I was made with care, with thought, with pride. This machine didn't care about trends. It wasn't built to be replaced. It was built to be repaired. And the more I opened it up, the more I felt like I was reading a book. Not just a machine, a mechanical manuscript. Each part had history, marks from decades of use, scratches, dust, dried oil, proof that it lived. And still, nothing broken, just waiting to be understood. I laid the parts out one by one. At first, it looked simple. A few screws, a couple of levers, but then more and more until the table was full. Dozens. Some pieces were the size of a fingernail, others solid metal bars, but every single one vital. Remove one and the machine stops. That's the beauty. It's not just the sum of its parts, it's the harmony between them. I didn't want to stop. It felt like I was uncovering something sacred, a reminder of what it means to make something. No circuit boards, no software updates, just hundreds of perfectly engineered parts working in harmony. This is what craftsmanship used to look like. Built to work, built to last, and now built to be remembered. How many parts do you think there are? There were 150 parts. Each one had a role. Each one had a reason to exist.